In this video today, we will see what to do if the volume of your iPhone decreases randomly. Now the first thing that you will do is you will simply restart your iPhone. Sometimes restarting the iPhone fixes many of the minor issue. The next thing that we'll do is you will check this volume down button on the left side of your iPhone. Make sure that the volume down button is not pressed or it is not damaged. Also, the other thing that you have to check is if you are using a case like this, a cover like this one for your iPhone, make sure that this cover does not press the volume button tightly so that the volume of the iPhone decreases. Now suppose if this volume button is pressed or damaged, then what you can do in that case is go to settings, then you have to go to this option sounds and haptics, and if you see there is an option here change with button, which is for ringtone and alert volume. So what you have to do is you have to disable this option. So once you do it, the volume button will no longer change the volume. The other thing that you will do is you will again go to settings, scroll down, go to this option face ID and passcode, open it, enter your passcode, scroll down, and if you see there is an option here attention aware features. So what you have to do is you have to disable this option. After this, the other thing that you can do is you can again go to settings here, go to this option sounds and haptics, open it, go to this option headphone safety, and if you see there is an option here reduce loud sound. Now if you are using a headphone and if the volume of the headphone randomly decreases, then it is because the iPhone will try to prevent loud music from your headphone so that your ear won't be damaged. But in any case, if you want to disable that option, if you don't want iPhone to automatically decrease the volume, you have to disable this option reduce loud sounds. But it is generally recommended to enable this option so that the volume of the headphone is not too high, that can cause problem to your ears. Now after that, the other thing that you have to do is you have to swipe down to open the control center and disable this Bluetooth option. Now what might happen is there might be Bluetooth devices that are connected to your iPhone which is causing an issue and making the volume of your iPhone to decrease automatically. So disable this Bluetooth one time and check if this will fix the issue. Also what you have to do is make sure that the screen protector that you are using on your iPhone screen, it fits exactly. If you see this speaker area here, this should be open, it should not be closed. Now the last thing that you can do is you can reset all the settings and check if that will fix the issue. For that one, go to settings here, scroll down, go to general, scroll down, go to this option transfer or reset iPhone, select reset, and you have to select this option reset all settings. You have to enter the passcode of your iPhone. Now once you reset settings, what happens is no data will be damaged, but whatever customizations that you have made on your iPhone will be removed. Also the password of your Wi-Fi will be removed. So if you don't want to remove the customization or if you don't know the password of the Wi-Fi, then don't do this option. So once you do all of these things, check if the issue will be fixed. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.